Here I'm at the Advanced Skills course at bunker number 77 at Enterprise South. I'm going to try to walk this entire boardwalk myself, hopefully without falling. I don't see any mountain bikers around here right now. I like this part, it's pretty cool. Somebody went to a lot of trouble to make this nice track, and I would suggest you never bike this unless you have a helmet on. Some mountain bikers are behind me, but I don't think they're going to get on this right now. They're just talking about the boardwalk. This one's challenging to get through with their bike, I mean. Oh, the big ramp at the end. Yay, success.